Выходить будете, нет?
Не имеете права.
Я не имею права. Урод.
Definitely, he's not going anywhere. All the shots here, policemen will come.
Why is it getting tucked away?
Go. Go.
We're here.
Hit it.
I got high. I got high. Front door's open. I'll get it. I got it, Jeff.
I'm gonna go to the left side.
Police department, start warrant! Police department, start warrant! Ah, hey, fuck! Coming through, fire! Go! Police department, start warrant! Get down here! With you! Need one!
With you.
Okay, just relax, okay?
One on front of the couch there.
Up, hun, get up. On top of your head. Put your hands on top of your head.
Get a female right here.
Cover me.
I got it.
Anybody back?
We need one in the back.
Need one.
I'll take your bike a little bit. Clear, come back. Got one here.
Need one in here.
Need one back here, guys.
Good, Dave. Somebody pulled up
One
here.
coming out with one.
Somebody pulled here.
You pull the door, I get it.
Yeah, let's grab down.
Clear. You want to check these? Or you think it's worth it?
I don't know if they had time. I had... Grab him.
Around that one.
Over there.
Hold the stairs.
Okay, you got her. I'm going there. All right, coming.
Alan, you gonna go?
Go. Who went up? How many you got? Bullet hole.
Where's that smoke coming from?
It's just the.
It's just residual from the bang. There's no more being generated. It's cleared out a little bit since we started. She's not cuffed. I don't have any cuffs for her.
Turn around for me. Just go ahead and stand up.
This is just for our safety.
There's somebody out front.
Somebody's going to explain to you what's going on here in a second.
Please.
No, we have nobody out front. I'm going to stand here.
Okay.
We have nobody out here.
You got flip flops on.
Yes.
Yeah, be
Let's
careful on that.
unlock
glass.
that door. Let's walk her out front. Where's? Is she going out front too?
Yeah.
Anybody on the perimeter come up and take two?
Does your back door work okay?
Yeah.
Let's just take her out the back so we don't risk cutting her feet up and sandals. You want
Okay.
to? We're clear.
I got a back porch and got a door.
Okay. All right. We're going to take her out the
I'll go with you.
We know what the perimeter's monitoring.
Come on up. Just follow him out.
We're gonna. Their glasses. We got bad glasses in the front. We're gonna take them out the back and walk them around the side.
See, you can get out. The dishwasher's been changed.
Okay.
The microwave's been changed.
Okay, that's okay.
I can turn that top.
We're going out the back door, and then we're gonna go around the east side of the house.
Yeah, the front. Can you get back the top? The top right there, lock it. Door.
You're gonna have to step back over here with me. There you go.
Okay. Follow him out. Watch your step.
Can you come over this way? Can you come around the front? Come on. How old are you, hon?
18.
Okay. I know he's on the other side. There's a fence over there. Walk out to the lieutenant. He'll tell you where to go.
Say again?
They need to be kept separate.
He's off duty. Are you
Trying
off?
to be smart?
Are you off duty? Are you an off-duty officer
Oh,
right
we're
now?
always on duty, ma'am. Can I see a
Are you
license-
off duty right
license,
now?
registration, and proof of insurance, please?
Am I being detained?
May I see a license,
Am I being
registration?
detained?
Ma'am,
am I being
you're-
detained?
You're not being detained.
Okay, then
May
I
I
will
see
see.
your license,
You have a good day.
Okay,
Goodbye.
I'll see you.
Was ist passiert? Okay, hol nach Laredo. Bitte eine Pulse auf. Bitte hol Laredo. Komm, es haben wir nicht.
А где 150?
Hey, turn around. You're under arrest.
Oh!
Damn! What the hell, bro?
Oh, God.
What the hell? Back up. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Stop.
Put your hands behind your back. Back up.
Man, you did this shit.
Put your hands behind your back.
bro?
Because I said he's under arrest. He kept walking.
Man, you did not tell me I was under arrest.
I said you're under arrest. It's on
You ain't
video.
telling me that stuff, man.
It's on video. It's called obstruction. I told him he has to give me his name. He refused.
I was finna go open my door.
No, you weren't.
Yes, I was finna go open this
Dispatch
door,
one
man.
tase. Back
Call
up.
my daddy, man.
Back up.
Call my
What's his number,
motherfucking daddy.
Back up.
What did I just say?
Oh, man. What's his number?